Kami ang
Team Yulo! We're really excited and we've been watching the past few episodes para medyo we get the feel na of the game. And
Yeah, sobrang excited kasi sa bahay talagang lagi kami nag-game. So, yeah, sana manalo tayo.
enjoy lang. Wag natin isipin ng wag na tayo may stress. Nandito para maglaro and mag-enjoy. Mag-enjoy po tayong lahat. Tatalunin namin kayo.
no, Daddy, don't say that. Don't say that.
Mag-enjoy po tayo at magsaya. Kita-kits po later and good luck po for the both of you. Abangan kami dito lang sa
Team Yulo!